Yeah. She's 3. She's 3 in October. Actually, it's not 3. Oh my God, it's 3 1/4 already. 3 more than a quarter. November, December, January, February, 3 1/4. She's not so coordinated.
That wasn't bad. They're very well.
They're all so cute.
A little nervous, right?
This little girl is so funny. She's the one that goes fucks her thumb. See, I like what this teacher does a lot better. That she makes it. The room is big. Thank you so much for showing me. What's your daughter's name? Coco. She's a real Coco.
She is really cute.
What's your name?
Sadie.
Sadie.
It's Mira.
Yes, yes. Pay attention. Get in line. Pay attention.
I think this is like the best entertainment in the entire world. These little girls, I hope they stay so sweet. I mean, it's like, this is what ballet is all about.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, she's such a little Coco. She looks just like you.
Thank you.
If they were in Russia now, the teacher would be swatting her. I love her little tutu.
I know.
Her little skirt.
And her hair, the way you do it, it's really cute.
Thank you.
My daughter won't let me put anything in her hair. I'm surprised that I've gotten a clip. And I have